what's up, y'all? This is a very impromptu video, but I just received something in the mail and I can't. It was per instructed from the homie Fred. He was like, yo, someone is sending you something in the mail. Do not open it until you are vlogging or filming something. I was like, weird, but all right, I'll play along with the game. So we received something in the mail. I have no idea what it is yet. A friend was like, bruh, just open it on the vlog so you can get the reaction. I don't know. So we're gonna open it, see what it is, and then we'll just, I don't know, we'll just see what it is. So let's do it. So this is the box that I received in the mail. It's kind of beat up on the side. You can't really see what's inside of it, but let's go outside with better lighting to show you what we got. I have my girl filming, so she can probably get my reaction. You know, girls like having reactions and stuff like that. Shout out baby girl, my bonnet came. No, don't film it because I gotta block out addresses and stuff. And it's pretty heavy. I really don't know what this is. Let me block out the name. So don't see this. What you doing? Don't say nothing about my butt, Hancy.
It's big. Look at that, don't.
Chill, shawty, chill.
It's getting bigger than mine.
Let's just unbox it. Let's see what we got in here. What do you think it is? So, let me give you a backstory. A fan sent this to me. He asked for my address through Fred. Fred said, I cannot open this when I get it unless I'm filming. I decided to film today. I got this. I had this in the mail for like maybe 3 days now, so that's just the backstory. No, nothing what it is. Just a fan's gonna send you something. I don't know if it's a prank, but it feels heavy. I mean, the box is ripped, which means that something happened in shipping. So it has to be a car part related item or something like that. I don't know. He only told Fred that he wanted to help out with the channel. So, any guesses?
Are you asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you. You over here looking like she's like.
I don't know. Something to do with something in the engine.
Okay, I'll take it. All right, so let's see what this is. First off, how is the quality of it? Do I look like R. Kelly or do I look like Chris Brown?
You look like Billy what is his name?
Who?
The guy who the girls.
Hancy. Now that we got our fresh battery pack, let's look at this. Today's sponsor, Zosh MFG. Look at the shirt. Whoa, that is amazing. Yeekies. Wow. Awesome. You look so great. Let's see what we got in here. Supposed to help out with the channel. I don't got like no. Hold on. Do not try this at home.
Yeah, don't be a person. Don't be lazy. And do what he does. Just
this is not lazy. This is called being lazy. This is called being smart.
No, it's not.
Look at that. That's not smart?
That's not smart.
You're right. Okay, it's wrapped up in the
like a black bag. Good tape though.
That's that damn government tape. That's why inflation's so damn high. You put it all in tape.
That tape cost like $30.
Facts. Alright, so let's see.
What is it?
I don't know. What do you think it is? It's in like a trash bag.
Okay, well, just rip it apart.
What do you think's it? I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. All right, let's see what we got.
Open. What is it?
Nah.
You got a cat.
Nah.
What is it?
Auntie, it's a turbo manifold. What the f? Oh wait, we got a letter.
Aww.
Oh, let's see. Bro.
What did it say?
Hi Percy, my name is Kadeem Willock and longtime subscriber of your channel. I am sure you are wondering what the f is happening and how this package is at your residence. But I will explain when we get in contact. This item is a business venture I am attempting and decided to show you some support by making you my first sponsor. Not to support your journey. Do not, hold on. I am attempting and decided to show you some support by making you my first sponsor. Okay. Damn, I can't read, bro. My first sponsor, and just to support your journey. Do not give up, brother. And something I have learned myself is to have patience and be grateful for what we have and what we are in life. My number is blank, 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 blank. Shoot me a message and let me know you received it. Take care. He said Akira equals. Whoa, holy shit. Oh my god.
Now that's real.
Damn. Now we gotta go turbo. Oh, look at this thing.
That's
dude.
Cool. Yeah.
Dude.
Well, shout out to Kadeem.
Kadeem, my guy. Let me text you. Bro. Hold on. Let's just get
So was I right?
It goes on the engine, yeah. This is the turbo bounce right here. The wastegate flange goes here. Oh, the wastegate goes here. There's already flange on it. It looks like a 44 mil is welded on it. This is like a T3 for a T3 turbo. But yo, oh my god. What the hell? Kadeem, my guy. Oh, my nephew just pulled up. Bro. Oh man, we gotta take pictures of this. Yo, before I continue filming, let me bring out the lenses and shoot some product shots. Not product shots, but some, product shots for hope. Man, this is awesome. I'm gonna shoot some stuff for Instagram right now. And bro, Kadeem, I love you, bro. Love you. Whoa. Drop it low then, nephew. What happened?
It's the lovebirds.
What's up? Bro. We have a turbo manifold for Akira. Kadeem, my guy. Bro, I really appreciate you, man. This man handcrafted this thing by himself. He got his brand right there, Adam. By the time this video goes live, hopefully he has like an Instagram that I can plug for his fabrication. Like, bro, this skills look amazing. Like, the quality looks great. So, bro, I'm very thankful and appreciative. Man, this means a lot to me, man. Like, to know that people really rock with the channel that way, to want to send me things to like help the channel grow with content. Like, bro, this is I feel like one of those white YouTubers. Bruh, am I white? Bruh, no racial. I'm just saying, like, this is amazing, bro. Like, awesome. Look at this. My girl right here, my little white girl, finna get some goddamn turbo noises. But y'all know the turbo build ain't gonna happen for like a minute now, because I have to like piece together everything. I'm not gonna like just start building this thing for boost, because, well, turbo requires money. Oh, what's that thing that like most turbo cars need? Oh, that's right, money. So it's gonna take a minute for us to go boost on this thing. Plus, I built this car. Well, I didn't build it yet, but like this thing is being purposely built for a Grid Life Club TR class. So I don't want to just throw boost on without even doing some track days on this thing, or getting some proper all motor seat time. But turbo will really up the value on just content alone, like just two noises and going out with the homies. I have a supercharged car, I have a turbo car, all I need is an all motor car. But man, this is just awesome. But I'm so appreciative and thankful, man. Like, Kadeem, dog, like, shit, dog, you got me in my feels, bruh. Damn. This is just so crazy to me, man. Like, I remember when I first went B series turbo, was it? Yeah, when I first went B series turbo, I had so many people reach out to me. Like, it was just different. Like, the times were different back then. It's just now, like, for someone that's like not my partner to like want to help contribute to the channel, something this big, it's awesome, man. Like, it makes me feel like, damn, like I'm doing something enough to where I'm giving some type of service to someone to feel like, damn, like, I want to help Zosh. Like, that for me to provoke that thought process into someone means like I have to keep going, like I have to keep doing what I'm doing, so like I can pay it forward, because I love helping out homies, and whenever I can help someone, it's like I feel like my purpose in this life is like helping people, man. Like, whether it's through content, through having a DM conversation about a life situation, or like sometimes I get people's girlfriends to reach out to me like, hey, can you make my boyfriend like a happy birthday video and things of that nature. And I love stuff like that, man. It's like, people really, you know, with your boy. And it's like, I just want to say, Kadeem, bro, thank you so much for this, man. Like this, bro, that shit made my day, dog. Like, I've never had someone like that's custom built that he built himself. It's just like the fact that he wants to see me win means the world to me, man. Because it's like I want to see me win too. I want to see all my brothers win. But like it means a lot, dog. And like I'm so appreciative, yo. So like I'm gonna utilize that product. I am going to start the process of putting together a turbo kit behind the camera, off scene, so like whenever I'm ready to go boost, we can do it. I'm just at a loss, man. Like it's just, I'm just so thankful and appreciative, and I thank you, bro. Like it means a lot to me that you decided to, you know, use your money to craft something and ship it to me. Like the man, bro, I hope I make you proud with the turbo build stuff, man. I can't wait to get this stuff crack-a-lacking. I'm just, dog, thank you, man. Thank you. And to everyone watching, thank y'all for watching the videos. It's very, it's a beautiful thing, man, that like, you know, I may not have the numbers what I would like, you know, and all that stuff, but I'm appreciative of the small community I do have, man. The people that actually tune into my videos, comment. I'm very appreciative of y'all, man, because like y'all make me able to do what I do. And I hope one day I get to utilize everything to its fullest potential and just really make a name for myself and show people that you can do it too, you know. Like I don't come from money. I don't come from, you know, a silver spoon or like a very financially supportive system of family and friends of that nature. But you know, I'm trying to do this from the ground up. So it's, you know, I can't look at people who've been blessed to have connects and this, that, and third to get them to where they need to be, and it's all gonna come for me eventually. I just gotta keep grinding. I can't give in to like the doubts of like, man, I should stop this shit, go find something else to do, somewhere where I'm feeling more appreciated, this, that, and the third. I gotta make myself feel appreciated and know that like the work I'm putting in now is gonna, you know, be worth it in the long run. I'm at like 1,200 videos uploaded, and I'm like stuck in this same subscriber count, view count. But I know one day, all it takes, man, all it takes is one video for it to catch fire. Once you catch fire, people can like catch on to my videos. They mess with my personality, things of that nature, and that's all it's gonna take. And I'm so excited for it to happen. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what happens, man. Thank you guys for watching this video. Very impromptu video. I'm just glad that I'm able to film something like this. It's just awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.